Hello everyone, welcome back. Alright, we're on a bit of a roll for videos this weekend, aren't we? I've got a right backlog of challenge locks to pick and various locks to pick, to be honest. Due to going back to work after the Rona and everything else, things have just been crazy, not had much picking time at all. But anyway, enough moaning. I had a package from Lockpicking Coal Miner and his wife, Just a Picky Girl. They sent me this fantastic padlock. I did manage to get into that. That'll be a future video, I think, but because we've just done a padlock pick video. It's just uploaded. They also sent Lockpicking Coal Miner's first 2 challenge locks. I've not got into this one yet. This is his very first, a red hat. It's a sergeant. That's not easy. I've had a very brief go and that is definitely not easy. Then I've got number 2. Now this gave me some severe grief yesterday. I did want to make the video yesterday. This is his number 2 rock and roller. Now I've just managed to get an open on it now once. So I'm quite hopeful here that it's going to open up again for me on camera. The problem with this one is it gives very little feedback at first. For a challenge lock, usually challenge locks are, as you probably know, you get loads of good feedback. That's what makes them great to pick. But, I've got to give kudos for that key. That's an amazing key, isn't it? I am picking it upside down because I tried all day yesterday, on and off. I must have had 6 or 7 attempts yesterday, and it wouldn't pick for me. I've just managed to pick it upside down, so we'll give that a go. Alright, I can't even remember what I've done now. We're gonna use the pick from Wespool. Right. Oh yeah, change to that. Alright, let's see if we're gonna get anywhere. Alright, nothing. Let me get one at the back. That's really hard to get one. Here we go. That's the way it started pretty much every time. That was like a crunchy click out of 1 there. A very dull click out of 2. So he's giving a little bit of counter. And maybe overset. Sorry, things are in the way here. This is not an easy lock, so we'll have to sacrifice vision for picking, I'm afraid. I'm at the back there now. A big click, but that felt wrong. Let's come back to the front and start again. What we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now when I got it open a minute ago, I've got a huge false set. So that's what we're looking for. Change to me Haribo pick. When in doubt, it's your go-to pick. Sorry, concentrating. Reset and go again. Because unless that false set comes, we're not going to get it open, I don't think. It's done the same again. There was nothing until we got to the back there. One, two. I've virtually got no tension on that at all. Something a bit more substantial. This is my bully pick. If you need to bully a lock, this will be what will be in my hand. It's 25 thousandths. It's quite a sturdy pick. So once that back pin's set, it just give off a bit more feedback. But I think there's a bit of a overset trap in there somewhere. Yeah, I've not gutted this, by the way. I've just literally just got it picked, locked it back up, and well, I took a photo of it picked, then locked it back up. Always take a photo just in case it doesn't happen again. But if it doesn't happen again, it's a bit of a fluke, isn't it? Let's try the other way. I'm pretty sure I picked it counterclockwise, but we know what we're looking for now. So, deep false set. A little bit of core movement there. Smaller false set, that's not the one we're looking for, trust me, you'll know it when it comes. Excuse the kiddie noise. Yeah, one of the puppies at my feet have let one go. Oof. Yeah, that's a bad one. This is what I'm having to deal with, by the way. Yep. That's some stinky puppies. Anyway, where were we? I have a feeling this is not going to go the same way for me. Alright, once again, nothing out of 1, 2, 3, 4. Click out of 5. Come on, that's me slipping off the pin, I think. There's that false set, there it is. Oh, stop. Good counter rotation on one mount. There we go. And we're open. Lovely. 9 minutes. Lock picking coal miner. Fair play to you, mate. It's a cracking lock. Alright. Sorry, I've got my phone recording and it's on charge. And yeah, I'm all tangled up. Alright. Where's that key gone now? Oh, I've lost the key. There it is. Hiding. As you can see, it's one open. get the feeling this is going to hurt me. Yeah, don't worry, I know where that's gone. I'll find that afterwards. Oh dear God, don't go like that for me. Right, we need a bigger shim than that. That's the one from the Sesame padlock. That'll do. Four. Shouldn't mess with that. There we go. See this? It is 5 pin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I was counting that end one as a. Anyway, lots of work done in the core. Lots of threading in there. Did feel crunchy. Let's get this out. 1 serrated, 2 serrated, 3 serrated, 4 very deep serrations, and a standard in 5. If you can be able to see that, all threaded. Get that shim out. Nice deep spool. Steel spring. Ooh, that looks like, I'll show you better. That looks like, almost like that's a barrel on that bottom bit there. I don't know if you can make it out, but it's got a real sharp bit. That's the bit that was on the shear line. That's a nice pin, that is. Another steel spring. Nice deep spool. Number 5. Oh wait, this is why it was so clunky. Again, real sharp top on it. See, this is what I mean about the pick makers. They've already got the skills, so they just adapt them into making pins and stuff. I think all springs are the same. And another serrated spool. Lovely. And yeah, all the same springs. Alright, lock picking the coal mine now. Thank you very much, my friend, for a second ever challenge lock. That is absolutely amazing. Let's give you a bit of a zoom in. Sorry for the long video. Cracking pins. Excellent lock. Thank you very much. And thank you all for watching and your continued support. You are all wonderful. Love you all. See you soon.